Okay, 2 miles to Michigan Avenue, and there we are. 2.1 miles to the side, guys. So Michigan Avenue, and the next street will be Adams. Will be our wow, guys, we did it. How lucky are we? How lucky we got with the weather, how lucky we got with everything else. I mean, the bike suffered minimal sort of minimal issues. All my batteries performed pretty well, apart from the one freezing day, but that's understandable. It was and it was in the open air. It was like 14, it felt like 14 degrees. So uh-oh, the black bag that got blown across my road might be a bad omen. But no, yeah, guys, we've experienced a few unfriendly hails, few unfriendly dogs, but then a few friendly ones too. And the best one to start the show will be the one who got the sausage, the one who got Rita's sausage. And shout out to Rita. I don't know if your name is Pekutowski, but Rita, the cashier at Pekutowski's Distributors in St. Louis. On the near north side. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for donating sausage to a very good cause. Like I said, I will tip in a $20 bill in the till in your name. Aberdeen Street. Hey guys, so we're just gonna kiss the last marker goodbye, and it is 6:37, so not bad. Interesting, because now an easterly wind is hitting me. There you go, guys. Gasoline prices downtown, $4.19 for regular unleaded. So yeah, well done, guys. Well done to everybody who supported, who tipped in a few bucks here for the cause. So yeah, guys, go at the bottom of the video. I'm gonna have a little chant there about in the description about our trip. And yeah, go ahead, put in a few bucks for these kids. You know, like I was telling people along the way, you know, we can get on a bike, freezing, rain, or cold, rain or snow, or rain or shine. And we can get on the bike and cruise 400 miles. How you doing, folks? And we can cruise 400 miles from what used to be a major city to another major city. 400 miles, and we're happy, you know, and we can do it. But these kids don't get a chance to sometimes. They get caught with this horrible disease, and you know, their life of enjoyment could be in jeopardy for the rest of their lives. So yeah, go ahead and put in a few bucks into two. And these kids will be very appreciative of you. We got 1994 here, huh? What are we getting there, guys? 1.2 miles, about 8 minutes, it says. Let's make this one. Ooh la la. Alright, guys. So we're still at Union Station again. So we are going to have to cycle back a few blocks.